Hey everyone, I want to go over a trade that I'm currently in right now, trading gold, and this is actually after hours. Now I want to show NinjaTrader here so you guys can see the exact entry. You guys can see this is the entry right here that's populated. So I'm going to bring this back over and I'm going to show you why did I enter this candle right here and how can you use these metrics to, hopefully capitalize on some trades and to hold things longer. I made a pact to myself and the private team that I have on Wednesdays. And I said, you know what, I'm going to try to hold trades longer, or at least until we get strong levels of support or resistance. But I want to take out more than just a few points at a time. So the reason I entered in right here is what I love to teach you guys is background color is the number one indication to say, do you have your cursor over buy or sell? If it's black, you want to undersell. Now I entered in at the break of this line. Now the break was great because at this point, we don't know what's going in the future, right? So right here, was everything lined up? We had red on top of green. We had a black background and the white dot closed below. That's all I was looking at in that trade. So what happened? Did we come back up? Yes. But what's the confirmation? Black background. If the background changes to gray at any time, that's your exit. And look at this dump. I'm going to go break even to 1. I'm going to go to, let's go 20. And then we can probably secure even more out of this. Let's go and do 40. So we're guaranteed at least 40. Shoot, even more. Let's go 60. If it's going to give it to us, that's $400. That's even more. I'm going to trail this live with you guys right now. See if we get stopped out of this. 380. Let's see if we can get a push. Looks like we just got stopped out. There you go. $350 per account. Everything done from entry. You guys can see my exact entry and my exit. Let's look how many points this is. I also said to my team, I want to see who can hold trades much longer. Now, this is only 6.5, or excuse me, 8.5, but this is on gold. That is really not a bad move at all on gold. Definitely given after hours. But let's just do this real quick. I drew this line saying, where are we going? Are we making a higher low or lower high? Lower high, lower high. Well, if we're making a lower high, what normally happens? We want to see the push downwards. So I waited. I was patient. I was like, okay, if I enter in right here, I know all my metrics are in line. I look straight down. I'm like, boom. At that time, red was on top of green. That's one confirmation. Black background, that's number 2. Price action below. Now, can you say, Justin, why didn't you get out when this came up above here? Default to your background color. If you get into these trades and you don't get that gray background, you need to stay within them so that you can see big dumps. That is technically your stop loss. Now, with saying that, you have to also have great risk management. The amount of contracts you're trading needs to be conducive to what that is. Look how much this is dumping right now. So right now, after hours with gold moving slower, I don't mind trading 5 micros. During the New York session, I don't typically trade more than 1. 2 contracts can actually get you in trouble on gold in the New York session. So afterwards, take a look at it. Guys, if you're someone who is in Europe or gosh, trading and you get home at 6, 7 o'clock and you're after hours, you're like, dang, I can't do the morning time. Try gold, all right? I just want to let you guys know that it's incredible. This is all the metrics here. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Justin. I'm the founder of these metrics. And this is the new Wave Runner that is available for NinjaTrader. Lifetime access to these metrics. You're never paying monthly. And while you're here, I want to tell you guys, if you invest into yourself with Take Profit Trader, which is the group I use, I've been funded with them. I have gone to eval the pro to payout many times, showing you guys here on YouTube with these metrics. If you end up grabbing any combination of 5 accounts through Take Profit, make sure to use the promo code MyFutureSuccess to not only get the rock bottom prices, but to register your account. Send me a screenshot of your 5 accounts that look just like this on your portal, and I will add you to the free calls that I do every Wednesday with 20 other pro traders. And I'll also get you on live with one of my affiliates who uses these metrics every Tuesday and Thursday to pull out funds in the market. And just this week alone, one of the days was over $800. If you had 5 accounts, that's a $4,000 profit. These are individual days from members inside our group that are seeing great success. So not only am I going to keep doing videos like this, showing you guys exact entries and exits and why I'm doing this to help educate you, but you're also able to follow along live. All right, guys, take care. Have a great day. God bless.